Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you an activity called get PDF page count activity. So it will get the PDF file page count into UiPath. So to get this activity in this activities panel, you need to install or you need to import PDF activities package from this manage packages. So to know or to watch the video on how to install PDF activities package, look at the playlist of PDF activities in my channel so that you can know that how to install PDF activities from these managed packages. So but for now I am going to explain you about get PDF page count activity in UiPath. So let me drag and drop it in designer panel, and I need to provide the path of the PDF document to which you are going to count the number of pages. Okay, so click on this folder icon and give the path of PDF document. So I will give this path. Actually this PDF document contains 13 number of pages, so we can get that pages in our UiPath. So after giving this path, you need to create a variable at the output because it is going to store the number of page count in this variable. So use shortcut Ctrl K and I will create a variable and I will name it as page count. So okay, so to display this number of pages, I am going to use right line activity and I will just pass the variable name page count and I will convert this to toString. So now simply I can run the process and see how many pages that PDF file consists. So look at this output panel, it is showing 13, so that this PDF page contains 13 number of pages. If you want, you can check by open this PDF document. So look at this number of pages of the PDF contains is 13. Okay, so this is how to use get PDF page count activity in UiPath. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.